Hey, it's Cody here, and this is video number 21 in our How to Build a Builderall Website training series. In this video, we're going to talk about how to transfer a Builderall website to another Builderall user's account. You want to do this if you're creating websites for clients or local businesses, and if they also have a Builderall account, you can easily just transfer the website to them, and it makes it really easy to build, edit, and transfer sites. So first of all, let's go to our Cheetah website builder, click enter. Okay, and we're going to choose our animal rescue site. And I want to show you both ways to do this. So how to get to the transfer settings, go to edit. On the left-hand menu, click all the way down to transfer. And you'll see this transfer box pop up. Click cancel. The other way is to head back to the website builder. And where our website is on the settings, you can click the settings and you can click transfer. Now, in order to transfer the website to your client or another customer, you need to put the email address that they use to sign up with Builderall. So it's the email address that their account is attached to in Builderall. Let's go ahead and paste a dummy text. And then when we transfer, we'll want to duplicate site and transfer. And what this does, it allows us to make a copy and keep it in our account. So if in the case our client, maybe they make changes to the website and they mess it up, so we're able to go back with the unaltered previous website version and transfer it again, and that way they won't lose all their information. So then we click save, and what will happen is the animal rescue site will appear, or whichever site you're transferring will appear in their back office under unpublished, and they can edit it as they please. They can do whatever they want with it. But the good thing is, like I said before, you're gonna have a copy of it in your account, and if anything ever happens, you're able to transfer the site once more, and all the mistakes that they made are pretty much erased. So it's a really good way to transfer sites between Builderall accounts. You can also do this. You can charge for this. You can also do it for free, or maybe you offer a free website with other services you offer. I hope you enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing the next video. If you have any questions or comments or video topics you want me to do, go ahead and place a comment down in the comment section down below. If you'd like a $1 30-day trial to Builderall, I'll have an affiliate link down below in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Take care. Have a great day.